Struth, I'm starving. I reckon it might be time to spin a couple of roasts on the old Bunnings $85 Jumbuck Mini Spit Roaster. Alright, let's get stuck into it. G'day legends, how's it going? Trev here from Trev's Life, and on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up a spit roasting setup, you know what I mean. Anyway, we're going to roast a Woolies marinated chicken and a corn silver side. Okay, so first of all we've got to prep these bad boys and get them on the spit. Rightio, just washed my hands. So, first of all, seasoning. What we're going to do is the corned beef has been marinating in a brine of salty water, so we're not going to put salt on the corned beef, but we are going to put Master Foods Texan style smoky rub. So, and that'll go on the chicken as well. So, don't muck around. Just get it on. Keep one hand clean. Right. Secondly, Stubbs chicken rub with sea salt, honey, garlic, and mustard. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Thirdly, garlic pepper. Alrighty. Now, with your silver side, you've got a layer of fat on the back here. So what we're going to do is score that. So when it's cooking, it'll essentially become like crackling, like on a pork. Rightio. So now, score this fat. And that's, I don't know if you've ever had crackling off a corn silver side, but it's bloody delicious. Rightio, there's your piece of meat, all scored up. Now, I think the chicken might cook a bit quicker than the silver side, so I'll put the silver side on first, onto the skewer. Just line her up out in the middle. And there she is, easy as that. Push that up on like that. Get your pliers, tighten that little bad boy up. It's already pretty tight. Righto, secondly, on with the chicken. Oh, before we put the chicken on the spit, let's just tie up his drumsticks and his wings so they don't dangle down and burn. put the two legs together like that. Wrap the wire around. You can use butcher's twine, but I don't have butcher's twine, so I am using wire. Easy as that. Trim the edges, fold it down, and you're good to go. Right, now with the wings, another piece of wire. Don't be shy. Put the wire down first. Bring it up over the center of your wings. Pull it in tight and twist. Alright. Easy as that. Rightio. On the spit she goes. Look at that, beautiful. Right, on with the second prong. These will shrink a bit while they're cooking, so don't be shy to give it a little push together, like so, and tighten him up. Beautiful. That is ready to go. Rightio, now what we got to do before we put it on the jumbuck is to set your counterweight. So what you do, pick up your spit like this, let the heavy side go down, put it down, and then you just set your counterweight on the opposite side of the heavy side of your spit. Like so. And that's it, it's done. It's ready to go. Righto, heat beads are hot. Took about 20 minutes. Chuck them in. I leave a bit of ash in the bottom of the old jumbuck just to protect the floor so it doesn't burn out. Give it a bit of longevity. Spread them out a bit. And on we go with the roast. Put him in there like that. Switch him on. And Bob's your uncle. I reckon we'll check this in about an hour. And now it's time for a beer. Righto guys, 1 hour into the cook. And check this out. See that fat that we cut up on the back of the silver side? Turning into crunchy, delicious amazingness. Tell you what guys, once you eat a silver side off the spit, you'll never go back to boiling it up and having sloppy fat all over it ever again. Rightio guys, while your meat's spinning, while the meat's spinning, we'll have a quick look at the Barbecue Buddy digital thermometer, which is programmable. You buy these at Bunnings for $21.05. Comes in its own little carry case, and all you do, switch him on. You got up and down buttons here. Preset your finished internal cook temperature, which for me is 71 degrees Celsius, and then all you do is switch it on, stick it in the meat, wait 20 seconds, and I just did it, and it came up to 61 degrees. So we'll let it go for another half an hour, then we'll shove it in, and when it gets to to 71 degrees Celsius, a little alarm will go off and go beep beep. Radio. Righto guys, been about 2 3/4 hours. Let's stop him. I've got the thermometer preset for 70 degrees Celsius. We'll stick him in. And hopefully it'll give us a little alarm that says she's ready to go. $69. There's the alarm. 70 degrees Celsius. It's good to go. Rightio. I'll take this off the spit and we'll chop it up and see what it tastes like. Righto guys, 2 3/4 hour cooking time. I've let them rest for 15 minutes because you never cut them when they're hot because all the juices will just come out. Now, let's chop this corned beef and see what she looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's chop a bit of chooky. Yeah, look at that. Let's taste it. That is so tender. Oh, you can see the juice coming out. Let's try this corned beef. Beautiful, salty goodness. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Righto gang, been about 2 3/4 hours. Ow,